Everybody's out here chasing goals. That's the culture now. Grind, hustle, get the bag. But here's the problem. Not all goals are created equal. Some goals fill you with purpose, peace, and growth. Others, they look shiny on the outside but leave you feeling empty when you finally grab them. That's the difference between positive goals and empty goals. Positive goals are rooted in growth. They're aligned with your values. They move you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. They don't just benefit you, they often benefit others too. Examples: building financial stability, improving your health, strengthening your relationships, creating something that leaves a mark. Empty goals, on the other hand, are rooted in ego. They're about keeping up appearances, impressing people who don't even matter, or chasing validation instead of fulfillment. Example: wanting a luxury car just so strangers think you're successful. Grinding for status but ignoring your peace. Getting caught up in likes and clout while your real life is falling apart. Here's the thing, empty goals drain your vibe, because even when you reach them, there's no satisfaction. It's like drinking salt water when you're thirsty. It looks like it'll refresh you, but it just makes you more dehydrated. Positive goals though, they recharge your vibe. Every step toward them feels meaningful. Even when the journey is tough, it feels worth it. That's the kind of energy that keeps your peace intact. So, how do you make sure your goals are positive, not empty? Ask yourself these questions. Does this goal align with my values, or am I chasing it because of outside pressure? Will this goal bring me peace, growth, or stability, or just attention? If nobody could see me achieve this, would I still want it? Because real talk, if the only reason you want something is so other people notice, that's an empty goal. And empty goals are the fastest way to kill your vibe. Positive goals, though, they build confidence, persistence, and focus. They give you a why strong enough to keep pushing even when things get hard. They feed your spirit, not just your ego. At the end of the day, goals should push you forward without pulling your peace backward. If your vibe feels heavier the more you chase it, it's probably empty. But if your vibe feels stronger, clearer, and more alive, that's a positive goal. Stick with those. Check your why. Make sure your goals are rooted in growth, not ego. Ask the visibility test. If nobody saw it, would you still want it? Prioritize peace. A goal that destroys your peace isn't worth chasing. Focus on long-term growth. Don't get distracted by short-term clout. Celebrate meaningful progress. Value goals that actually make you better.